Untamed Outdoors. Y'all hop in the boat and let's go fishing.
How much wood could a woodpecker peck if a woodpecker could peck wood? Huh? There he is right there. I told you they like it. Oh! Water too cold to be playing this game, my friend. Alright, guys. There we go. That's the only thing about these little hooks. Alright, guys. This is how we're going to start the day off. Golly, what fun fish to catch. You have.
I feel like this is a catfish rod. Why just seem so big?
Well, I don't know. You want this one? That's so you can handle these big fish when they hit it. And I took it out of the boat. The only reason I had it up here is because I wanted some more of them. I caught them on this color and that color. There he is right there, baby. He ain't very big, is he? Get in here. Get yourself in this boat. Get out of there. Look at there. Number 2. I caught a bunch of crappie on these too. Crazy as that sounds. Oh, get up here. Get up here. Quit doing it. You stop that. I just barely had him. There you go. That's what I think in this weather like this. There you go. That's a good one, it felt like. I don't know, it is a little better. Yeah, you can. He's pulling that drag, is he? Hold up, I'll get him up here. He felt a little better.
I don't know what you're doing and I'm not.
Alright, guys. Now that fish is a little bit better. Decent little old fish. Gobble, gobble. You a dip net or is he small? Oh, I ain't that big.
Sucker fights like crazy.
I know it.
Get your mouth open, sucker. Sucker bit me. Ow, Charlie. Now I'm so deep in the sucker's mouth, but my legs.
I gotta get closer. I can't sling this thing. Tell Tim there's one leaf in there and I caught it. Uh-oh, I'm getting a bite. Look, watch. Oh, he was making the leaf jump. Uh-oh, whatever you're in, you get out of it right now. I still got him. I don't know if I got him now or not. Ah, man. There he is. No, I see that big. Wet, you're getting me all wet. All right. That was pretty cool. That was pretty cool right there. Look at there, come right out. Look at there, guys. Man, these are some pretty fish. I set the hook solely on sight that time. He had that sort of line jiggling around and acting up. Then he got me up there and about got me hung in in a bind, in a pickle.
Dude, I just smacked the sea stuff.
I'm fishing with a pink jig, dude. I know. That's what I'm saying. So I said it.
Oh my God. Holy, dude, he almost took the pole out of my hand.
Oh
my bless. Good night. I mean, he almost took the pole out of my hand.
Listen, them's my poles. Don't even take one out of my head. Oh, that made me laugh.
I was just holding it there and he took it. There he is.
I think kind of got him. That's the color, man. That's the color we're gonna need right there.
Yes, sir.
If y'all can't tell, Griffin switched to a more natural color, and not a great big fish, but he's put one in the boat, and we've been working for a while pretty hard trying to get one.
Put that hook in there. Okay.
There's your pliers right there.
There it is. Well, I put a hole in his lip. He won't be hungry for a while.
Yep. Nice. Nice.
I'll try to go to the white. I'm going to try to work quite a bit in the week, and then the weekend come on. Man, I need some new work. Oh, there he is. What is that? I'm a little back. Come here, little sucker.
Well, they will eat a white one then.
They're right in the eye. He ain't much or something, but he is a fish.
Nice. Nice. First one we've had in a while. There he is right there, baby. I don't know, feels good. Oh, he's pulling hard, like he really gonna do something. I'm just happy to catch one. There he is, guys. There he is. Man, it's pretty, shiny, green. This water's clear. Man, they look nice. There he is. He'd already got way over there. Uh-huh. Come this way, little man. Don't you spit my worm. Mm-hmm, you're right. There you go. There he is, guys.
I don't think That's bad fish either.
Ain't sure that ain't the same one.
Oh.
You got plenty of them worms.
Come here, sucker. Ain't big, but boy, I'm catching them at least. Yeah. That's a better fish. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, it was.
He felt good when you set the hook. Man, them suckers are fun to catch. There he is, Griff. Watch my line. Oh, it's coming to me. Got like, Mom, I reel him up to the reel, baby. Yeah, pretty. Get out of here, you little thing.
No big fish laying at that top right there.
Evidently not. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Yep, he was there. Mm-hmm.
Braid has now taken off. Have the braid in the bed.
Get there, guys. Look at it. Look at here. These fish are so pretty. Was that him that just jumped?
Yeah. Sight fish, that one. Hook me, so. Good fish.
Nice. If we were going to eat some, that'd be the size we need to eat.
Hey guys, this is Griffin from Untamed Outdoors, and I got a chance to come home from college and fish with Dad, and we have had a beautiful day today. We really caught some good fish, had fun today. I think we caught 20 or so fish. It's real stumpy out here, so it's about anywhere you throw, you have a chance. If y'all like this content, please like, subscribe, and share to all your friends, buddies, or if you don't even know them, just share it.
Man, thank y'all for watching. Y'all stick around. Watch what's coming on next. I think you're going to enjoy it too. We'll check y'all out later.